everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video will address 2 weeks worth of what I have been studying. I know I have not been on here in like a week, but it seems like a lot, but I am going to make up for it today. I am going to talk about the past 2 weeks of what I have been studying, and currently it's day 40 of my 100 days of code challenge, and it has certainly been a challenge. So for the past 14 days, I have been exploring HTML a lot more in 3 different methods or concepts, or you might say using 3 different avenues. So one of the first methods that I used to strengthen my HTML experience, my HTML skills, was to build a YouTube mockup page. As a YouTuber, this experience was particularly exciting because it allowed me to emulate features which I use on a regular basis. I was not afraid to use the inspect element. You know, that little feature which you right click and you never pick because you don't have to. So yes, I went there and I clicked the inspect button, and it was like a whole new world came out. It's like I took the mask off of YouTube and saw it for what it really was. I used the inspect element to help me to gain an understanding or make better judgment of the placement, the dimensions of different medias and how it's plugged in, and also to pretty much understand how the YouTube page, or any website for that matter, really ticks. And towards the end, I'm quite proud of my little YouTube project, if I do say so myself. Continuing with the Odin project, I also learned about tables, and I really did not think that it would be such a challenging task. I learned about the intricacies of tables, from HTML to CSS, from its structures to its styling. Apart from HTML's basic structure, which I found to be very repetitive, the CSS portion, I was able to further my understanding of hexadecimals and borders, paddings, and margin. During the past 2 weeks, I also spent some time watching Cole Steele's course on Udemy, which is a web development course, and it was very great to just work on small projects to concrete or cement my understanding of HTML and CSS. And the cool thing about this is that whatever I'm working on or coding on the computer, I will spend some time doing that, about 2 to 3 hours, and then later in the day, or I will watch for an hour a Cole Steele course on the same exact thing that I was working on. So using this method, I am diversifying my studying, which makes for a greater experience. Within the past 2 weeks, one very exciting thing happened to me, and I am so grateful for it, is that I got into an internship program. I am so excited and grateful for this. I don't know, look, I feel like I'm accepting an award or something, but yes, this is just how I feel. I am very excited to work with just great minds and people who know very much about this field, and it's just an opportunity for me to be able to collab and just to learn more. And trust and believe, I am going to be asking loads and loads and loads and loads of questions like you don't understand. This is my very first experience collaborating and working with a team or another person actually on projects to build a website or whatever it is. But I am very much grateful for it because I do understand within this field, this is what it's all about: collaborating and being able to share ideas and being able to work on projects together. So this is definitely a stepping stool for me, and I am entirely grateful for it. But yes, if you're part of the dev community, I would like to know, where was your first place, your first experience working with a team or collaborating with a team? Was it through a job, an internship, or freelancing, wherever? Where was your first experience taking place, where you were able to take wings and fly and learn more? Please let me know down in the comments. I would love to know. And if you really like the content that has been shared, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye.